Good morning, our students. Our lesson today in Unit 3, Lesson 3, Part 1, the triangle. Theorem 1. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We know that theorem, but how to prove this theorem? In the opposite figure, given triangle ABC is a triangle. RTP proves that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle ACB equals to 180 degree. Construction through C, X parallel to AB. Prove since the angle XCY is a straight line, then measure of angle XCA plus measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle YCB equals to 180 degree. Then since XY parallel to AB as a given. Then measure of angle XCA equal measure of angle A as alternate angles. Measure of angle YCB equal measure of angle B as alternate angles. Then measure of angle A plus measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle B equals to 180 degree. For example, in the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle A equals 75, measure of angle B equals 60 degree, X belongs to AB and Y belongs to AC, such that XY parallel to BC. Find measure of angle AYX. Okay, how to prove these questions? Number 1. Since measure of angle A equals to 75 and measure of angle B equals 60 degree as a given, the sum of the measure of interior angles of triangle equal 180, then measure of angle C equal 180 minus 75 plus 60, which is equal to 745. Since XY parallel للBC and AC is a transversal, then measure of angle AYX equal to the measure of angle C equals to 45 degree as corresponding angle, and this is our required. Okay, now the exterior angle of the triangle. In the opposite figure here, if ABC is a triangle, D belongs to CB as a ray and D not belong to BC as a line segment, then angle ABD is called an exterior angle for the triangle ABC. But here in this figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle? No, it's not an exterior angle. Angle ACD is not an exterior angle of triangle because it did not belong to BC as a ray. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its non-adjacent interior angles. Okay? In the opposite figure, if ABC is a triangle, D belongs to CB and D not belong to CB as a line segment, then the measure of angle ABD equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. Because measure of angle ABD is an exterior angle for the triangle ABC, so the exterior angle equal sum of the two non-adjacent angles. Okay? So measure of angle ABD equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. From the previous example, we can prove that as since measure of angle A plus measure of angle C plus measure of angle ABC equal 180, Measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle ABC equal 180. Then measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle ABC equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle C plus measure of angle ABC. Then measure of angle ABD equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. If you want to prove this example, okay, we know that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of any interior angle of the triangle except its adjacent angle. Again, this is important note. The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of any interior angle of the triangle except its adjacent angle. In each of the following figures, find the measure of angle marked by question. Here, I want measure of angle ACD. Okay, measure of angle ACD is an exterior angle for the triangle ABC. So measure of angle ACD equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B, which is equal 50 plus 60, which is equal to 110 degree. Okay, since angle ACD equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle B because it's exterior angle, give measure of angle ACD equal 50 plus 60, 110. Another one. Here, I want measure of angle also ACD. From the previous example, since an angle ACD measure is an exterior angle, then measure of angle ACD equal measure of angle A plus measure of angle B, which is equal to 42 plus 67, which is equal 109 degree. Exercise number C. Here I want the measure of angle B. Since measure of angle BAD is an exterior angle for the triangle ABC, then measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equals to 120. But here I want measure of angle B. So measure of angle B equal measure of angle BAD minus measure of angle C. Then measure of angle B equal 120 minus 60, which is equal to 60 degree. Number D, I want measure of angle BAD. Since the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then each angle equal to 60 degree. Then measure of angle BAD equal measure of angle C plus measure of angle B as an exterior angle. Then measure of angle BAD equal measure of angle B plus measure of angle C, which is equal 60 plus 60, 120. So measure of angle BAD equal 120 degree.